In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Team in Zoho Social. If you're responsible for who can publish, review, or report in your brand's social workspace, this walkthrough will help you make quick, confident updates. You'll want to be signed in with permissions that allow team management, typically an admin or owner level role. Start by opening Zoho Social and heading to your brand's workspace. Once you're in, look toward the top corner for the settings icon and open it. Inside Settings, navigate to the section that lists your teammates, usually labeled All Members. This page gives you a clear snapshot of everyone in your brand, including their current role and which social channels they can access. Select the team member you want to manage. This opens their details where you can make the adjustments you need. The first option to consider is their role. Roles control what someone can do, things like creating or publishing posts, approving content, managing integrations, or viewing analytics. If a teammate's responsibilities have grown, step them up to a role with broader permissions. If they no longer need full access, assign a more limited role. A helpful rule of thumb is the principle of least privilege. Give only the access required to do the job well. Next, review channel access. You can fine-tune which social profiles this person can view and publish to. Match access to their responsibilities. Grant access to the channels they actively manage and remove access from those they don't touch. This keeps your brand safer and your workflows cleaner. If someone is focused on content creation but not final publishing, consider allowing draft creation while keeping publishing rights with a reviewer. You'll also see options to remove or deactivate a member. Deactivate is best for temporary situations, like a leave of absence or a role change in progress. It pauses their access without deleting their association with your brand. Remove is a permanent offboarding step, ideal when someone is no longer part of the team. Before you remove someone, double-check that any scheduled posts, approvals, or listening assignments they handled are covered by another teammate. When you're done, confirm and save your changes. Some screens autosave, but if there's a save or update button, click it to lock everything in. It's a good practice to let teammates know about role or channel updates so there are no surprises in their daily workflow. That's it. By visiting Settings, opening all members, selecting a teammate, and adjusting their role, channel access, or status, you'll keep your Zoho social team organized, secure, and ready to collaborate.